In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Godaddy domain to Base44. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Base44 to add your domain and what to expect as it verifies and goes live. Start by opening app base4.com and signing into your account. From the main interface, head to the apps section. This is where all your projects live. Choose the specific app you want to connect to your custom domain. If you manage multiple workspaces or have several apps, take a second to confirm you're in the right one so you don't connect the wrong project. Once you're inside the app, open the dashboard. The dashboard gives you quick access to key settings, and from here you'll find the control you need for domains. Look for the domains area in the workspace navigation and click it. This is the dedicated place where you link a custom address like example.com or doexample.com to your Base44 app. In the domains page, add your Godaddy domain in the provided field. Type only the domain name, no HTTP or HTTPS, and no trailing slashes. Decide whether you want to connect the Apex domain, example.com, the do subdomain, doexample.com, or both. Many teams choose do as the primary and redirect the Apex to it, but either approach is fine. After you add it, Base44 will create an entry and show the status. If Base44 displays verification details or DNS instructions, keep this tab open. Those values are what your domain provider will use to confirm ownership and route traffic correctly. Custom domains are available on the builder plan and above. If you don't see the option to add a domain or you get a notice about plan availability, check your subscription. You can upgrade in your account's billing area or ask your workspace admin to switch plans so the domains feature becomes available. When the domain is added and DNS is set up correctly on your registrar, Base44 will detect the changes and automatically issue an SSL certificate so your site loads securely over HTTPS. DNS propagation can take time. Often it's quick, but it can take up to 24-48 hours. While you wait, you may see a pending or verifying status. That's normal. You can refresh the domains page later to confirm the connection shows as active. To recap the flow, go to Base44, open apps, select your app, head to the dashboard, click domains, add your Godaddy domain, and make sure your plan supports custom domains. That's all there is to it. Once the status turns active, your Base44 app will be live on your custom address.